Is the Treasury guilty of vandalism on defence spending, Prime Minister? Are you seeking a closer relationship with Europe? Are you choosing welfare over defence? Is it scroungers over soldiers, Prime Minister? Are you leaving the country in peril, Prime Minister? Is the Treasury guilty of vandalism on defence spending, Prime Minister?
It's perfect, thank you. Well, it's a great pleasure to be able to welcome you here to Downing Street for your first visit as Prime Minister